Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. Let's come student. We have to study about the one of the important sub lessons unit 8 means of travels. Student, what is this? Means of travel. I hope you are understood already. Travels means we are changing the place from one place to another place by using the different tools. Okay, so have you know that anyone think the discovery of wheel means this one? No, just wheel. This discovery of this wheel brought a complete changes in the way of man travel from one place to another place. So this wheel is there. Invention of this wheel is that completely changes their human lifestyle because it traveled from one place to another places. And even now some man invented wheel by his own efforts, and probably we don't know also to observing and imitating the natural event such as rolling of tree trunk, this like, okay, rolling of tree trunk to down the hill. That's maybe it's probably observing. And even now in that few years in the second great inventions, in the few years ago, the second apart from this one wheel, the second great invention was that steam engine. Have you see that word steam? Steam engine. This is a secondary great invention in the traveling area, because who have to travel for more for that means from one place to another place for so much distance, they are using this one steam engines. By the help of wheel they can move from one place to another place. This is also second great invention. First one is wheel, second one is steam engine. I hope you are understood student. So means of travels is a very important sub lessons, and this travels, now here I already wrote land transport, water transport, air travel. Before I am explaining this one, I will tell you now about how the invention wheel, how the steam engine help to us for traveling. Okay, now I am telling to you land transport. First one is land transport. Very simple student. Land transport means the vehicles having traveling on the road. Our journey becomes only on the road using the different types of vehicles like car, public buses, our own private vehicles like scooter, bike, even also there helicopters. Not helicopter is not a land, sorry, helicopter is not a land transport. Car, bike, scooty, and different types of cars and different type of bikes, and bicycle is also one land transport. So these are the examples of land transport student. So which vehicles having traveling on the road, so those are called, those traveling are land transport. Second one, water transport student. Water transport is very important now student in nowadays, just because it's very helpful from one place to another place we are moving. And now the transport is the journey of how the water transport evolved. So we have to look there. I will show the some pictures about the vehicles of water transport. Look there here. Water transport, no student. The raft and using canoe, old ship, viking ship, clipper, cargo ship, steamer, luxury liner. These are all the water transport. They are moving on the water from one place to another place. So these are the example of water transport. And even the third one is the air travel. So air travel is also one of the different transport. It's having moving without road and water. We are moving on the sky from one place to another place by using these different types of tools like balloons and gliders, Wright brothers aeroplane, and old model helicopters. Nowadays is Boeing helicopters, Concorde. Not only this, so many vehicles are there for air transport. So these are the examples of air transport. So only nowadays people are using three types of transport. One is there, what is that? Land transport. This one, land transport, water transport, air travel. Next class I will tell to you the remaining part of this lesson. I hope you are understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.